Okay, this one's different. Okay, there. It sees me. Yeah, I'm the candidate, okay? That's me, bro. Holding my hands up. Can you see that? Oh, it's using the fake one, isn't it? Isn't it? Join player one. Start camera. Ah, that's me, bending over. You can't see my legs. Oh, see it unpaused. Raspberry Pi? I thought that was hilarious. We're working on the game console. Finally. Got a little Raspberry Pi 5 and AI hat. That's right. They call them hats. The little boards you put on top of a Raspberry. Oh, you couldn't see me. Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi hat. AI. It's empowered by Halo. Hailo. Get it? Applications. We're not doing deep learning on this thing, but we will be hooking a camera up to it and doing some vision, because we are going to build a Connect type device where you move, it follows, it body tracks, and you can control games that way. It's a novel concept, never done before. Copyright.
It's a neural processing unit, an NPU.
NPU.
Think of it as a dedicated AI accelerator for neural network inference, not a CPU or a general purpose GPU.
Oh, that makes sense. The Raspberry Pi 5 is the thing with the CPU.
Exactly. The Pi 5 runs the main system and the Halo chip just handles the neural network workloads.
But what we should get is a camera plugged into this device, gets captured, we calibrate, you can control when the camera's off. You can track your poses. We have an API for VCG motion games. I don't know. I guess that's what we're calling the API that does the motion tracking. Gesture and action recognizer, launcher, web bridge, native Godot SDK, vibe coded games, body games, optional retro front end. That's why I'm start calling them body games. Active cooler first, directly onto the bare Pi 5 board. Okay, I wasn't sure where that was going to go. So this goes on the Pi itself, not the hat. It's a spring loaded. These are springy plastic spring screws. Align its 4 plastic pins over the 4 mounting holes around the sock and press down evenly on each corner until they click. Don't force one corner down first. It can crack a pin. Wait, this doesn't line up. I'm so confused. Oh, it's not the holes I thought it was. Okay. So maybe this does work. Okay, so yeah, now the direction does matter. Open the PCIe FFC connectors latch on the Pi 5. It's the small connector between the USB-C port and the GPIO header. USB-C port. Oh, PCIe. Yeah. Okay, found it. It's the only thing with the freaking latch anyways. It's easy to insert backwards. Oh man, I'm getting nervous. The only ribbon cable I have to insert is the one on the hat. It doesn't actually say that, but I'm assuming that's what it's talking about. Easy to put in backwards, it says. Okay. Well, I can see the pins are on the bottom of the ribbon cable, and I could see, I'm guessing you don't want them facing up. You guys can't see what I see, but oh, my eyes are so bad. I cannot tell if the pins are on the top or the bottom. What does this say? It's like the most easiest thing. Like people are soldering shit and I can't even plug in a ribbon cable. All right, follow it exactly. It's easy to insert backward. I think this is working. Just rocking it in. I never knew how to do anything with them. Just basically broke them for parts. It's probably why I'm so loose with my hardware nowadays. Just used to breaking shit. Okay, that's in. Connect the other end of the ribbon cable into the hat's own FVC connector the same way. It's already connected. Was I supposed to disconnect it? Oh my God. And I skipped the connecting the fan. Okay. I can still connect the fan. Before anything else goes on top, it's a small 4-pin JST connector. Plugs into the header labeled J14. Oh, these are different sizes. Okay, so it only fits in one of these. It's got to be this one. There's no J's. It's all the measurements. Oh, okay. So it's plugged in over there. That is next to the USBs. It's like right behind the USBs. Okay, I do see that, but it has like a cap on it. That's why I didn't think it was that one. Does it say J14? Give me a J. I don't know, it says like FA something. Oh, fan, FAN. That's what it is. That's it. One thing to flag, we're not enabling the PCI overlay or installing any Halo software today. The bring up guide deliberately keeps day one CPU only and defers the accelerated. Then why did I bother? So a misseated ribbon cable won't even surface as an error until we get there. Okay, so when I have a freaking AI can't be detected, just remind me that it's probably the ribbon cable. So a misseated ribbon cable won't even surface as an error until we get there. This step is just getting the stack physically assembled and matching what was ordered. I skip a step. So that's the software. Don't need that. That's my network. Yeah, it's okay. Where are we at here? I'm not going to do it again. It's installed, right? I don't see the SD card, so I'm guessing it's installed. Click the gear icon before writing and set hosting. Okay, so I didn't do this step. I have to do it again. Oh, lights on the Raspberry Pi. Okay, I'm gonna SSH into it. Oh, the fan came on. And it turned off. It's just testing it. This confirms the Pi is up, reachable, and your account works. Nice. Fine, make me do the long one. I'm gonna put this in my one password so I can remember.
Still checking for that key to show up.
That's a different agent. I don't know what that one was, but you can see here. I don't know. Is that too small? It's too small for me, I'll tell you that. Did I just move the stream? Is that any better than what we see here on the desktop app? Not really. Going back. Good news, despite that stopped notification, just a harness bookkeeping hiccup, not an actual failure. It's probably me hitting escape. Bootstrap. Oh. The remaining step, visually confirming the pose simulator camera in Chromium, needs a display on the Pi. How do you want to handle it? Wait for the micro HDMI cable. Set up VNC now. WayVNC is listening in port 5900 with authentication via PAM. That's my mom's name. Your actual PI login over TLS. That combination is specifically built for RealVNC's client. So, install RealVNC Viewer on your Mac. Yes, sir. Desktop Wayland. Session via lab. So Wayland is the OS, I'm guessing, right? That's what we're saying? Or no, or is Wayland the viewer? I don't know. Running live even with nothing physically plugged into HDMI. From there, you can open Chromium yourself or tell me to drive it. Though, note, I can't click around inside a VNC session from here. That's parts on your screen. Once you're in, open this. In Chromium on the desktop, the server's already running from Bootstrap. Obstacle test, yes. Join player one. Okay, camera's not plugged in.
What kind of driver are you looking for?
There it goes.
You had your new key.
Yeah, there it is.
I see that.
Paused. Okay. I'm sitting. Will this work? What is happening? Oh, this is the game. This is the game. Okay. Refresh. Going to the museum. Lame. Let's try this one last time. Start camera.
Running,
Camera
Daddy.
frames stay local and are not displayed or recorded. Post inference is isolated from the console UI thread. Capture mode requested. 30 frames per second, low power. The camera reported 30 frames per second. Tracker is ready. Landmarks and standardized actions are available. Local camera stream is active. Software access is enabled. Capture activity stream active. Physical shutter not sensed. The stream stays local and is not displayed. It says it sees everything, but it won't jump. I'm exporting my trace. We'll troubleshoot it. Oh, I think it's broke.
Let me check that. I'm checking why the jump isn't triggering.
If it plays, the app input is switching. I was able to connect my body as player one. Player one. What's the next step? What's the next step? How do we make VCG Console load natively / by default on the Pi instead of in the browser on a desktop? Do it. All right. We're going to call it a bit chaotic there at the end. But yes, the VNC did work. Thank you, Freedom. This is the console, but it's running in VNC, in an OS, in a browser. I want it to be connected to my TV. So we'll work on it.